Good morning. So I'm gonna get ready because we're gonna take the girls to go on the train. I look so tired because I got off work, went to work for like 4 hours, midnight to 4 a.m. So pray for me, just playing, but yeah, let's get ready.
Nuestra próxima parada es Fontana.
Oh, look at the conchas. Little pillows. Mango and piña. With piña. With piña.
Where you see that?
It is.
Oh, mango and pineapple. Piña. That one's probably gonna be wrong. I'm probably gonna be bad. Because mango just gets something. You want that one or this one?
I don't want that.
You don't want mine? You want that one instead of the one you normally get?
Yeah.
Sí, un vaso de ese.
Like from Fortnite. I'm just kidding.
Oh, you're good, you're good. Very hot place.
We're heading back to the train to go back home. We're literally only checking to see if Nally liked it, and she did, so it was a success. Okay. Can I get your mango dragon fruit lemonade? And then can I have 2 birthday cake pops?
What size did you want your mango dragon fruit?
Wait, what size is it?
Just kind of whenever you're ready. And you're all set.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thanks. I'm gonna go with that.